Today I'm going to make for you a delicious new bliss ball recipe. This is my choc mint bliss balls. I absolutely love this recipe and I know you're going to as well. So let's get started. Today I'm using the classic Total Nutrition Center. I still use this model at home. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to start with 1 cup of nuts. I've got half a cup of almonds and half a cup of cashews. When making bliss balls, you want to be really accurate, all right, with your measurements. I'm going to put in some dried fruit. I'm using some Medjool dates. I've pitted them, of course, and I've also got some raisins. So 1 cup, that's pretty good. And I've also got 1/4 of a cup of trail mix. This is actually called Pure Vita. You can buy it in Coles. It's absolutely amazing. All beautiful seeds and dried fruits. I love that. I've got 1/4 of a cup of shredded coconut. Beautiful flavor. I've got some cacao, so that's my chocolate flavor in my bliss ball, like a raw chocolate, absolutely beautiful. And 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. That's going to help to get it blending more easily and give it a nicer, smooth texture. I've got some maple syrup, 1 tablespoon. Half a tablespoon of maple syrup, just to sweeten it up a little bit. And then lastly, I have some fresh mint, and I'm also going to add a little bit of peppermint extract. You don't have to add this, but just if you want a little bit more of an intense mint flavor. Half a cap. Just go real easy on the extract because it is quite strong. That's it. So simple to make. I'm going to lock my lid into place. I'm going to use my tamper. Okay, get that ready. And I'm going to start it on about speed 5 or 6. I'm just going to pulse it just to get those nuts mixed up a little bit. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to use my tamper, get it up onto high speed, just till it forms a nice consistency in the base of the container there. Away we go. That is it, that is done. Looks awesome. We're just gonna put that out onto a chopping board here. I'm just gonna spin this blade from underneath and hopefully it will just all drop out. Sometimes it can get stuck in there just from all the thick dates. Give it a bit of a tap and away it goes. Just falls out of the container. Just give that blade a spin to get off any excess. That looks pretty good. Look at that, all out of there. So you end up with this beautiful ball here. Smells so good, that fresh mint. And basically I just want to rip off little bits, roll them up into a nice ball, and then I'm gonna get some, I've got some fine coconut, any sort of coconut shredded, doesn't matter. And I basically just put that, roll it in, and voila. Beautiful, beautiful choc mint bliss balls. It's that easy to do. Let's try that. Amazing. Definitely try this recipe at home. That is a winner. Happy blending.